Hey guys, I know you've been looking all over for tips and tricks on how to achieve glowing skin. Well, today I'm going to show you how I get this glow with all natural products. Let's get right into it. So I know most skincare routines start off by cleansing the face first and then applying a product. But what I like to do is start off with my homemade hibiscus serum that I created by boiling a few hibiscus tea leaves that I picked up from my grocery store and placing them in a nice little spray bottle for my convenience. So before I actually cleanse my skin, I like to spray on my hibiscus spray. Now, don't be alarmed by its red color, and I would definitely stay away from wearing white clothing while doing this because it will stain. So what you want to do is apply it evenly all over your face. And then you're going to give it about 5-10 minutes and allow it to dry. Now, the reason they call hibiscus nature's Botox is because you will notice that it tightens your face. It gets very sticky. While it's drying, you can you hop in the shower, brush your teeth, do whatever you have to do, and then come back here. Now, once it dries, you'll notice that it leaves a bit of a shiny film on your skin. You can kind of see it's starting to form a glow already. So I like to apply the hibiscus to my face while it's still dirty because hibiscus itself acts as a cleanser and an exfoliator. It's also jam-packed with vitamin C, which is amazing for your skin. So once that is all dried and my skin is jam-packed full of vitamins, I'm going to take my black soap and I'm going to wash it all off. The thing I like most about the black soap is that it's good for all skin types and it even acts as a moisturizer, unlike most soaps that dry your skin out. Now I'm just going to rinse that off and get my skin nice and clean. Okay, so now that my skin is clean and free of all product, I'm going to now moisturize with my hemp glow oil from Fifth Element Cosmetics. I'm going to shake it up. You can hear the obsidian crystals inside. So I'm going to take a little bit. You see how pretty that is? Like you can see the gold flake. And all of it is not that intense on your skin, but it still leaves behind a beautiful shimmer. You're just going to rub it all in. To make sure I get like the ultimate moisturizing effect, I like to go in with my Jade face roller. And it's very cool. And it just helps work in that moisture. Okay guys, now follow me outside so you can see how this glow looks in natural light. I just wanted to bring you guys outside so you can see how radiant my skin looks in the natural light. I love the fact that this oil moisturizes my skin, but it doesn't clog my pores. I also love the fact that they include obsidian crystals inside. So not only is my skin being cleansed, my aura is too. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed all of the information that I brought to you today. I'll be sure to include any information about the products that I use in the description